Welcome to the world of airline revenue management. Have you ever wondered why two people sitting side by side can pay wildly different prices for the exact same flight? One passenger might pay as little as $50, while their neighbor pays $500. This isn't random. It is the result of a highly complex pricing machine. We are exploring the mechanics of airline revenue management, where advanced algorithms determine the cost of your journey in milliseconds. Let us uncover how a $50 seat transforms into a $500 ticket. At the heart of airline operations lies revenue management. It is a sophisticated strategy with one core objective: selling the right seat to the right person at the right price and at the perfect moment. By aligning these four variables, airlines optimize their inventory to ensure that every flight achieves the highest possible yield. The ultimate result is maximized profitability across the entire network. Historically, airlines relied on rigid fare buckets. Each bucket represented a fixed price tier, limiting the airline's ability to respond to changing demand. In 2026, we utilize continuous pricing. Advanced AI algorithms generate unique, real-time prices for every single transaction, optimizing revenue based on thousands of variables. Think of airline pricing like an auction that never ends. You aren't just paying for the seat itself, you are paying for the timing of your request and the current market demand. As availability decreases, your seat effectively goes up for bid. The system constantly reevaluates the price based on how many people are looking for that same flight. Every search is a new bid. The auction adjusts in milliseconds, ensuring that the last available seats go to those with the highest urgency. Airlines segment passengers into two primary categories to optimize revenue. The leisure traveler is highly price sensitive. They often prioritize lower costs, have flexible travel dates, and book well in advance. Conversely, the business traveler is price inelastic. They require specific flights on tight schedules, making them willing to pay a premium to ensure their travel occurs on time. Algorithms identify these behaviors to present different pricing tiers for the exact same seat. Airlines constantly balance two metrics: load factor, which is the percentage of seats filled, and yield, which is the profit generated from each seat. As the plane fills, the algorithm detects high demand and automatically increases the price for remaining seats. This ensures that every flight is both full and profitable. A $50 airline ticket is often a marketing tool known as a loss leader. It is designed to capture your attention and drive you to the airline's website. However, this base fare rarely reflects the total cost of your travel. Think of it like an iceberg. The base price is just the visible tip. Hidden beneath the surface are mandatory taxes, baggage fees, seat selection charges, and other surcharges. In reality, the actual price you pay is the full sum of these components. The base fare is merely a psychological entry point to start your transaction. Airlines use a strategy called unbundling to maximize revenue. The advertised base fare is often a low entry point, designed to attract customers, but it only covers the seat itself. Airlines charge separately for extras like a bag, $30. This turns a simple ticket into a much larger transaction. Airlines charge separately for extras like a seat, $40. This turns a simple ticket into a much larger transaction. Airlines charge separately for extras like a boarding, $30. This turns a simple ticket into a much larger transaction. By the time you add all these services, your $50 ticket has become a $150 expense. This shift allows airlines to control their bottom line while offering flexible choices. By 2026, airlines harvest digital breadcrumbs to gauge your willingness to pay. Your device type, your geographic location, and your past booking history are all factored into the offer you see. These data points flow into advanced algorithms that calculate a unique price for your specific profile in milliseconds. The result is a hyper-personalized price, specifically tuned to your profile, moving beyond the static fare buckets of the past. Generative AI now acts as the brain behind airline pricing, processing massive data sets in milliseconds. It scrapes competitor prices, monitors social sentiment, and analyzes individual user personas to determine your willingness to pay. The result is a dynamic price, calculated instantly, which maximizes airline revenue based on real-time market shifts. This algorithmic precision has fundamentally changed how we shop for flights today. Airline pricing is often a trap for the unprepared. When you book a seat 30 days in advance, you might find a fare as low as $450. However, as the departure date approaches, your alternatives vanish. For a last-minute business traveler with no flexibility, the system detects your urgent need and raises the price. Just 24 hours before the flight, that same seat can spike to $1,800. This is the last-minute trap, where convenience costs a premium. In 2026, aviation pricing has integrated new sustainability metrics. Airlines now include dynamic carbon offset surcharges directly into the final ticket cost. These fees are not static. They are dynamically adjusted based on the flight's projected carbon footprint, current sustainability initiatives, and market demand. By aligning pricing with environmental impact, airlines encourage passengers to consider the ecological cost of their travel alongside their financial budget. In the modern airline industry, the gap between the cheapest and the most expensive ticket on the same flight has grown significantly. Since 2019, this price dispersion, the range of fares offered on a single flight, has widened by 22%. This means that algorithms are becoming increasingly aggressive at capturing value from different types of travelers, leading to a much larger spread in what passengers pay to sit in the same cabin. Many believe airfares are constantly rising, but consider a flat rate model. If airlines charged every passenger the average cost of $250, the flight would look uniform, but limited. In reality, aggressive yield management changes the game. By offering a large volume of low-cost seats, airlines make travel accessible to the masses. Without this complexity, the entry-level ticket would disappear, pricing out millions who rely on affordable fares. The system is designed to maximize access, not just price. Many travelers believe that searching for flights in incognito mode or using a VPN hides their activity from airline pricing algorithms. However, modern airline revenue systems identify you primarily through your login accounts and persistent browser cookies, not just your IP address. When you sign in, the airline links your identity to your search history. Your incognito search is simply merged into your existing traveler profile. To avoid price discrimination, focusing on booking from clean browser environments or corporate tools is far more effective than simple private browsing. When booking flights for business, your choice of platform matters. Personal browsers track your digital history, feeding pricing algorithms data that can trigger personalized, higher fares. Corporate travel portals act as a shield. By processing your booking through a centralized system, they mask your individual browsing footprint. Because the algorithm receives anonymized requests, it cannot apply personalized price discrimination. You often see static, negotiated corporate rates rather than dynamic, history-based spikes. Ultimately, booking through corporate channels helps maintain pricing neutrality, protecting you from the personalized willingness-to-pay traps found on the open market. Airlines don't simply aim to charge the absolute highest fare possible. Instead, they use complex predictive models to identify the maximum price each individual passenger is willing to pay. Consider two travelers. The leisure traveler is price sensitive, with a willingness to pay limit of $200. The business traveler, constrained by a schedule, has a much higher limit of $800. The airline's algorithm adjusts the fare for that specific seat in real time, nudging the price upward until it hits the specific threshold of the passenger viewing that offer. This predictive capability is what transforms airline pricing from a static list into a hyper-personalized dynamic market. Low-cost carriers often use a low base fare, like $50, as a strategic marketing tool to attract search traffic. However, These fares are often mathematically restricted, with very few seats allocated, making them nearly impossible for the average user to secure. The base fare serves as a magnet. Once the traveler is in the booking funnel, mandatory extras and unbundled services push the final transaction closer to $200. This creates a powerful perception of affordability while ensuring the airline maintains competitive yields through the final checkout. The airline pricing machine operates on a sophisticated synergy. It continuously ingests real-time market data, analyzes individual behavioral psychology, and tracks live flight demand. By synthesizing these inputs through advanced artificial intelligence, airlines compute a dynamic fare that balances volume with maximum yield. To navigate this system, remember, stay flexible with your travel dates, be aware of how your search history influences data collection, and always account for the total cost of ownership, including fees.